Now, you want to talk? Yeah, you talk. There you go. That's a good boy. Wow, I got the real deal here, man. Yeah, I got a dental stick. Would you want a dental stick? You want to lay down and roll over? Are you going to lay down and roll? There you go. There's your dental stick. You going to talk about this a little bit more? Yeah. Oh. Well, okay, you can roll over. Now, you want to sing? Sing? There you go, buddy. Oh, you don't want that? Oh, we got the big deal now. You're going to need to roll over.